Charles Leclerc walked into 2025 like the main character in a movie trailer. Dramatic lighting, soaring expectations, and a car that said, "I'll get back to you." Ferrari crowned him the clear lead, while Hamilton wrestled with gremlins. Cue the soundtrack of collective tifosi sighs, again. The SF-25 promised pace on paper, like a motivational poster in a break room. On track, it flirted with brilliance, then ghosted in the race. Qualifying teased headlines. Sundays delivered, what ifs. Strategy? A spicy roulette. Reliability? More mood swing than Swiss watch. Leclerc's patience could be bottled and sold as a wellness product, yet even he looked done with radio poetry. Long pauses, deep breaths, then that polite Monaco sarcasm. You could hear the calculus. Push, save, maybe safety car, maybe fate, probably traffic, definitely plan. Z? Meanwhile, Hamilton's adaptation arc felt like downloading a massive update on hotel Wi-Fi. Technically progressing, spiritually buffering. He showed flashes, but the car's window was a peephole. The internet wanted fireworks. The SF-25 handed out sparklers and a stern safety leaflet. Ferrari's 2024 Near Constructors' Glory made 2025 feel like the sequel with a smaller budget but bigger expectations. The team brought upgrades with dramatic names and modest attitudes. Wind tunnel said yes, asphalt said, lol. Somewhere, spreadsheets wept. Tires shrugged, Leclerc carried. Tactically, it was peak Italian opera, whispered strategies, sudden crescendos, and a tenor named Degradation stealing the show. Leclerc kept hauling points like a disciplined introvert at a chaotic party. Every podium fight felt earned. Every miss felt like a group project with fate. Here's the spicy bit. Leclerc is clearly the guy. But for how long can he be Mr. Composure while the car plays hard to get? 7th season, leadership unlocked, patience taxed. If you were him, heart red, eyes on a title. Do you stay for the dream, or chase one elsewhere? Like and subscribe, please.